So what are we doing here with this?
Well, I'm going to explain how the belt goes on for those who don't know. I'll pretty much just show you, it's even easier. Okay, all it is around the one pulley right here. Okay, you take it straight across, the back goes straight across and around. Push this forward to get it inside there. Okay, come around, then you're going to hit into this pulley here. Okay, this is your gear or gauge pulley. There's a cable over here with a spring that goes up onto here. No, I'm sorry, onto here. It comes up and this engages your blades.
Nice.
Get back to this. You want to take this one and bring it around the big one here, which is also locked. These are both locked here. And then you put that like this and then you got your loop right in front.
Nice. That's it? Nice. I'm filming. Knocked over the deer. Now where are we hooking it up to first? Those?
No, I have to bring it over to the other side. This right here, with the pin sticking out, will be sitting through that hole right there.
Nice.
This one here will be sitting on the inside of this, pointing at this side.
Nice.
Alright, here it comes.
Alright, ready. There's a little thing here, don't push it. It's past it now.
Okay, that's what I wanted. Oh, actually I didn't. Put it back on that side.
Alright, it's there.
Okay, good. Lower in the top. Okay. It's down on one.
Do you want me to hook it up there?
No, just wait.
Forward a little bit. Line your hole up. Okay, this side's,
You want me to line this hole up too?
if you can, just put it right on there.
Frankie, help me move this way. There, your dad did it. It's fine. I feel the hole, but it doesn't want to. There it is. I got it.
Alright, great.
It's in.
Alright. Next move we got to do.
Screwing it in.
Well, yeah, but it was caught against. A cup holder, hon. Thank you. Get over here. Come on. I need two big ones.
You want me to come over there, Frankie, so we can see what we're doing?
Yeah. This one? This one I'll need. Alright. Now on this side, you want to put your first pin right in, get it set, keep everything still. Give me the other one.
Such a difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
No, for me, filming at this angle,
Oh, I'm sure.
my head is heavy. I got a big ass head.
Now over here, we can put this front piece on now. Well, you know, I'm gonna wait and do that side first. That's already up, right?
My side?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in there.
All right, Frank, go put a card pin in that.
Give it to me and I'll do it. Come over here and you do it, Frankie.
And this here. I'll put down here. Okay.
Come on, Frankie, you go. Can you squeeze in there and do it? I gotta film you doing it, so do you know what he's doing?
So where?
Okay, hold on one sec, okay? Turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Right.
I'm gonna drop down. Level.
This goes on there, so get that on there. And you see the hole right there? Right there. There you go, Frankie.
Okay, get your cotter pin, put it through that hole.
He's doing it right now. He's got it. That's enough, Frankie.
Okay.
That's exactly where it needs to
Now
be.
take this bar and put it on that, yep, right there. You got another cotter pin for that?
Yeah.
All right.
See what you're doing over here.
Hold on, he's doing something.
Hey, wait, you're not even supposed to be out here. He's been out here for 5 minutes, I swear. Go in school, bro. We got this. You see that? He tricked us. Oh, shoot, I gotta film you doing that. There you are. This side has the same thing, yes, no?
Put that on there.
Which, this side?
No. Put it over there. Now. Got a tricky cotter pin on this side. There you go. Now we're going to come over this cable. Okay, you're going to want to be towards the back for this one.
All right.
This cable here. Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Now this, back up into here and hook on to that piece I told you in the beginning. Okay, on that, you gotta hook on the washer on top. And you gotta put the cotter pin in the top hole. That secures it, okay?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, then we gotta come down here and grab this part.
I see it.
See it has its own little washer and stuff?
Yeah, I do.
This comes down. Turn it. Put it in there like that. And this comes over top of it. Now there's also a washer, or a cotter pin on that. I have to get it inside the copper.
Nice. Little Frankie had him. There you got it, right there.
There's the hole.
So the cotter pin slips right in there, right?
Right through this little hole here and on the bottom of it. Keeps this cable from moving.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a little tricky. That's why. Try it this way so you guys can see better.
Oh, I see perfectly right now.
Well, I couldn't.
Do it the way you see better.
This is it. This is going to be a hard time here. There we go.
I feel like I'm a National Geographic's filmer.
I am part animal. Alright, come on. Alright, stop.
Stop the filming?
Yeah.
To be honest, I'll just edit it out. Cause it cut already, so I'm gonna just catch you doing it, and then I'll, when it's done right, I'll edit it down to that point. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We just need to get it popping in there. It looks like on this end that, Jesus. Why don't you bang it?
It's really not really room. Bang. Have to bang. Stupid. I've had so much hard time on that little fucking card pen.
Yeah, I know what you mean. The people watching at home would run into the same problem, so I don't really see it as an issue. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. I got you right in there. So this got to go around here. What are we doing right here?
Okay. I gave the example on how it goes
Right.
all the way through.
Right there.
Okay, this hooks up to the engine, which gives you
All the juice.
all the juice. You have to put it on a little bit and turn the engine a little bit just to get it on. Very simple.
This is easy. We
Okay.
done?
Now there's also another way to do it. Now,
You want to show?
well, if you know what you're doing, you can.
Say it one more time.
Okay, we're gonna install the gas tank, hook it back up to the carburetor. But in the meantime, the gas tank was out because I had to install a new cable.
I see it.
Yes, it comes up in here, which engages the blades.
Nice.
Goes all the way down, back. That's the one I had a hard time with, that little garter band.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so that's all set. This is all set. Gas tank's gonna fall in. All right. Just 2 little screws, one on each side. Okay. Something running a little bit like this, I guess. It still works. Alright, I'm gonna tighten this up. You guys take a break.
Briefly explain what we're doing here.
Alright, the guy wants the same old stuff. This is cleaned out. Everything's working perfect. Runs right through. You got a shut off right here. All I'm gonna do is connect this to the shut off and then connect the gas to this here.
All right.
And
That's all you got to do.
that should do it. The gas tank's mounted in. Everything should be good. Now you got these little clips here. Squeeze them. Stick it back on. Okay.
Nice.
Right on. It goes on a hell of a lot easier than it comes off.
Yeah, I would figure that.
Okay, put your clip right up to the edge.
Nice.
You don't have one there, I ain't messing with it. Okay, same thing here. There we go.
I bet this is a nightmare to get off.
Very tight. Here, so I'll reinstall that one. And we got a clip right here. Alright,
Nice.
so we're gonna turn the gas on,
Nice.
check for leaks. If there's leaks, I'll have to put another section in here. If not, it should be good.
Nothing's dripping.
Yep, we got a drip.
Oh, you got a drip?
Yep.
Do you know where the leak is coming from?
Not yet.
So we got a leak right now.
Little gas leak.
It's not a little one.
That's a little one.
Oh yeah, it could be worse.
Yeah. Okay, this side's This side's dry. It's coming from right over in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snip a little piece of this off and I'm gonna reinstall it, and it should seal itself. If not, then we have a major problem with this.
You want to cut?
Yeah.
The action. I'm already filming now, though. Need to hold it upright.
If you wish. Looks good. Okay.
It's working!